Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by an inviting structure that transforms your outdoor space into a sanctuary of beauty and relaxation. Pergolas, with their timeless elegance and architectural charm, have become the centerpiece of gardens, patios, and terraces around the world. These stunning designs blend form and function, offering shade, style, and a canvas for creativity. Let's take a journey through some of the most breathtaking pergola designs that are sure to capture your imagination and inspire your next outdoor project. Picture a classic wooden pergola, its beams crafted from rich, warm cedar, stretching gracefully above a stone patio. The natural wood grain glows in the sunlight, while climbing roses weave their way up the sturdy posts, their fragrant blooms spilling over the top. This traditional design draws on centuries-old garden architecture, providing a romantic backdrop for alfresco dining or a tranquil morning coffee. The interplay of sunlight and shadow beneath the slatted roof creates a dappled effect, inviting you to linger and savor the moment. For those who crave a touch of modern sophistication, consider a minimalist pergola crafted from sleek, powder-coated steel. Its clean lines and geometric form make a bold statement, contrasting beautifully with lush green landscaping. Integrated LED lighting along the beams bathes the space in a soft glow as the sun sets, transforming the pergola into an enchanting spot for evening gatherings. Paired with contemporary outdoor furniture and sculptural planters, this design evokes a sense of urban chic, perfect for those who love to entertain in style. Mediterranean-inspired pergolas infuse outdoor spaces with the warmth and charm of Southern Europe. Imagine whitewashed wooden beams draped with billowing linen curtains that sway gently in the breeze. Terracotta pots overflowing with lavender and herbs line the perimeter, filling the air with their heady fragrance. A wrought iron chandelier hangs from the center, ready to illuminate long summer nights spent dining under the stars. This design transports you to a sun-drenched villa, where every detail invites relaxation and connection with nature. If you're drawn to the tranquility of Asian-inspired gardens, a Japanese-style pergola may steal your heart. Constructed from dark-stained timber, the structure features gracefully curved beams and carefully placed latticework. Delicate wisteria vines climb artfully over the roof, their purple blossoms cascading like waterfalls. Bamboo fencing and stepping stones complete the serene picture, creating a harmonious retreat that encourages meditation and mindfulness. This design emphasizes simplicity and balance, allowing the beauty of the natural world to shine through. For those who love the rustic charm of farmhouse style, a pergola adorned with reclaimed wood beams and galvanized metal accents is a perfect choice. String lights twinkle overhead, creating a magical ambiance as dusk falls. Mason jar lanterns hang from the rafters, casting patterns of light across a long wooden dining table set for family and friends. Surround the space with wildflowers and vintage signs for a touch of nostalgia, and you'll have a gathering spot that feels both welcoming and timeless. Pergolas aren't limited to expansive gardens or large patios. Even compact spaces can be transformed with the right design. A small corner pergola, perhaps nestled against a privacy fence, offers an intimate nook for reading or sipping tea. Space-saving features like built-in benches or wall-mounted planters maximize the utility and beauty of the structure. Choose materials and colors that complement your home's exterior and add a touch of greenery with hanging baskets or vertical gardens. This thoughtful approach ensures that even the coziest backyard feels like a luxurious escape. For a truly show-stopping effect, consider a pergola with a retractable canopy or roof. These innovative designs allow you to control the amount of sunlight and shade with ease, ensuring comfort no matter the weather. Motorized options let you open or close the canopy at the touch of a button, while manual versions offer a charming, hands-on experience. Choose fabrics in bold colors or classic neutrals to match your outdoor decor, and enjoy the flexibility to adapt your space for every occasion, from sunny afternoons to rainy evenings. Pergolas can also serve as stunning passageways or entry points, guiding guests into your garden or leading to a hidden retreat. An arched pergola, its beams covered in fragrant jasmine or honeysuckle, creates a sense of anticipation and wonder. As you walk beneath the archway, the gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet scent of blossoms envelop you, setting the stage for the delights that lie beyond. This design element adds drama and romance, making every visit to your garden feel like a special occasion. For those who appreciate eco-friendly living, pergolas made from sustainable materials offer both beauty and peace of mind. Bamboo, for instance, is a rapidly renewable resource that lends a tropical vibe to outdoor spaces. Combined with natural stone pavers and native plantings, a bamboo pergola creates a harmonious blend of style and sustainability. Solar-powered lights and rainwater collection systems can be seamlessly integrated, enhancing the green credentials of your outdoor haven. Don't overlook the power of color in pergola design. While natural wood and neutral tones are perennially popular, a boldly painted pergola can inject personality and energy into your yard. Imagine a sunny yellow pergola brightening a corner of your garden, or a deep blue structure echoing the hues of the sea. Painted finishes protect the wood and allow you to express your unique style, turning your pergola into a true work of art. No matter your taste or the size of your space, the possibilities for pergola design are as limitless as your imagination. Whether you dream of a lush, flower-draped retreat or a sleek, contemporary lounge, a well-chosen pergola elevates the ordinary to the extraordinary. It becomes a gathering place for friends, a quiet refuge for reflection, and a stage for the changing beauty of the seasons. As you envision your ideal pergola, consider how it will complement your home, your lifestyle, and the natural world around you. Will it frame a view, provide shelter from the midday sun, or serve as a canvas for climbing vines and twinkling lights? With thoughtful planning and a dash of creativity, your pergola can become the heart of your outdoor oasis, a space that truly steals your heart day after day.